Hey traders, I hope everyone's having a fantastic weekend and that Friday and that your trading week was fantastic as well. Now, I actually wanted to do a trade last night. I was talking to my buddy Chad from Perth as well on Skype, and I don't like to run the chat room when I'm doing this. It just causes too much noise for me. That's me personally. I'm still very much a raw beginner. I only started in early July with this penny stocking stuff. Let's actually work that out. When was it? It was on a Friday night. I paid for the market prep course. The 7th of July. So that's 1, 2. It was 3 months last week. So 3 months, 1 day, 1 week. So yeah, I'm pretty raw. Now I was looking at BTCS. LBIX was a nice little breakout that's fallen down completely. So what I have done as well, and I'm proud to announce, is come Monday, I will be having a I think it's Shore Trader account. It's going to be a real account, small $500 account just to start off with, and I'll only be doing what sort of comes to me naturally, but with a little bit of discomfort, is buying breakouts and dip buys. So it's a small account, obviously, so I won't be able to short sell. But yeah, I decided that interactive brokers, it's all well and good, but I prefer not to lay down 10 grand currently. And I understand what people are going to be saying, $500 is too small, but I just want to do 3 or so months just with this, just to refine things a little bit before I go and progress to a larger account. And also, my interactive brokers account expired. It expired. I must have set that up on a Friday as well. Because I didn't immediately open a brokerage account when I got into the market prep. The first week or so, I was just digesting all the information, and I didn't even know about Short Trader either. But these guys offer a little, you invest a little bit less. So, and that's what I'll be looking to start utilizing. And I need to start doing trade executions. So, and I'll be able to link that to Profitly and also Stocks Trade. So probably what I will realistically do for the first week is, because I'll be able to start doing some trades, is I'll still run the demo as well with Stocks Trade because I like the platform. But I've seen any really nice sweet setups, which I did, which was BTCS. I think I went over this in last night's video too. What was 8? Classic. Alright, so it did fade out a little bit, but it actually had a nice little double top earlier in the session. I find, for me, the first hour is when things really, really happen, if they're gonna happen, when it comes to buying anyway. So it shot off pretty nicely with solid volume. And LBIX also had a nice little breakout. I think it was around here. So it held, and what do these guys do again? Beverage, non-alcoholic, leading brands. Do they have news? Sorry if I'm a little bit slow to react, guys. I was out in the sun today. It was like 28 degrees, mowing the lawn and everything. I've red hair, so had a lot of sunscreen on and a hat, but it was still pretty hot. What was their news that they had? No news. Okay, I might be wrong. No, there's no news. But it had a nice little breakout again earlier on in the session, where it sort of consolidated here, and then where was the breakout? Sort of around here. So I was holding. I was holding here. It was even the 270s. That was it. This was the breakout here, where it took off from 270 up to over $3, $3.10. So no fantastic trades missed, but I definitely didn't realize interactive broke. So like a 3 month or so expiry on the demo. So I didn't do any trades this week, but those were going to be the 2 trades, and it was unfortunate that I couldn't actually execute it. And I don't have the account linked to stocks to trade as well, so I'm going to fund a short trader account, $500, and we'll sort of go from there. I still need to build my confidence before I want a full size account. That's just my psychology. I understand if that's frustrating to people, but that's okay. Back at it. So it actually fell considerably. It didn't really do anything. I mean, there was a bit of a double bottom there, but I wasn't really watching this. There was not a lot of volume either, as you can see. So that's what I am slowly starting to learn, is what stocks to sort of focus on and what to have just on the sidelines. This was in the watch list, but it really didn't, sort of behave at all. Very similar pattern than BTCS, but BTCS had a lot more volume. MGTI is very financially flawed as well. So, and it's a little concerning when Bitcoin is still trading so high as well. I mean, let's just see what Bitcoin's doing. What is Bitcoin doing? And obviously this affected things as well. It fell down pretty hard. I mean, we're looking at, I'll bring it across, Bitcoin Wisdom is what I use. So it's consolidating here in the 4-hour chart as well. So if we go the hourly, wants to load, yeah, it still is probably going to go higher. That's pretty bullish there. That's, to me, I mean, if where's the next support? Around 5.5. If it hits 5.5 again, we might see another bounce because it's trades 24/7 as well, Bitcoin. So MGTI really, and look at that, it just absolutely, it does this a lot, and I just wasn't interested because in my watch list I discussed a dip buy, but below $2. If we have a nice little panic, so the panic wasn't significant enough. It didn't fall that much. That was only about 5%. And then the double bottom play. I really stopped paying attention to it when it was doing this. I just wasn't interested. So, but I didn't really miss much. I mean, we're talking from, it would have been probably from here. So 264 to, yeah, that's just absolutely, yeah. So that's why I wasn't really watching it, guys. So I'm going to close that down. Watch list for, look at that, KLDX. KLDK is 700% gainer. The watch list for next week I probably won't do, guys, but I just want to make the announcement I am going to have a live account, so you're going to see real trades as well, and I'm going to start doing that. I've got a little bit more confidence to do that now, and yeah, I think I'm just going to conclude things on that. I hope everyone had a great week. I made no trades. I'm still up for the month at, I believe it's $74, and I believe I did. Let's see if I took a screenshot, because interactive brokers are haul bags, and like, nah, just open the live account. Well, to be honest, I don't want to start opening a live 10 grand account because I'm just not interested in doing that. Yeah, that was some foosball material as well. You saw that. I don't mind him as well, to be honest. Account statements, okay. I don't think I took a screenshot of when. It's frustrating. No, I didn't. Anyway, guys, so $74. Okay, you can trust me. In conclusion, hot sectors, hot whatever. I'm not really going to make any calls. I'm just going to see. I'm going to go through a few things before I make the watch list video and see what's going on and what's interesting. Guys, thank you again for watching, and hope everyone has a great weekend. Study hard, have some fun as well. Bye.